Disabled Car Adaptations Derby. Enhance your independence with expert car adaptations. Specialists in transforming vehicles to meet the unique needs of individuals with disabilities. Our wheelchair and mobility scooter boot hoists provide effortless loading and unloading. With just the push of a button, your mobility device is securely transferred into your vehicle. Experience the freedom of traveling without relying on others, knowing your mobility device is safely handled. Our swivel car seats offer seamless access to your vehicle, providing a comfortable and secure transfer. Whether for the driver or passengers, these seats make entry and exit smooth and effortless. Enjoy enhanced comfort and safety with our expertly installed swivel seats. For individuals who need assistance getting in and out of the car, our person hoists provide a safe and dignified solution. Our person hoists are designed for ease of use, ensuring a secure and comfortable transfer every time. We are committed to providing personalized solutions that enhance your mobility and independence. Ready to reclaim your independence? Contact us today for a free consultation. Call now on 033005873338.